NuFun dark fabric transfer paper is easy to use, and I'm going to show you how. To start, preheat your iron to cotton or polyester rayon setting, or your press to 350 degrees or 275, depending on the fabric you are using. Choose your desired image and print your design to be transferred, remembering that you do not need to flip or mirror the image before printing. Load your transfer sheets into the printer so your image is printed on the non-glossy, unlined side. Using a scissors, you can trim the image on the transfer sheet, removing any excess or unwanted area. I suggest rounding those sharp edges for better transfer performance and adhesion. Now simply cover your hard ironing surface with a pillowcase. Place your garment on top. You will want to pre-iron the fabric to release moisture and remove wrinkles. Peel the liner from the back of the transfer. Now place your printed transfer on your garment, print side up, and lay a piece of parchment paper over to completely cover the transfer. Iron with steady and firm pressure. This will help push the transfer layer deeper into the garment and will be much better for wash durability. Glide the iron in a circular motion over the entire transfer for that suggested time duration. After ironing each section of the transfer, glide the iron once more over the entire transfer to heat evenly. Now wait for the transfer to cool down completely. Once it has, remove the parchment paper from your transfer using smooth and even motion. And there you have it, your very own customized NuFun dark fabric transfer.